I'm Paul Pasolka, IB Masters Learning Center at IBMasters.com, and today I've got a big idea. We're going to do Test 3, Module 1, number 11, and number 11 reads, x over y equals 4, and 2 times x over n times y equals 4. What's the value of n? So there's two major ways you could do this with a couple of variations. Number one is you could pick a value. Whenever you have two variables and an equation, you could pick a number for one and solve for the other one. The easiest thing to pick for x over y equals 4, you might know that 4 over 1 is 4. So let's just say x is 4 and y is 1. Then when I plug in, I've got 24 over 4 times n over n times 1 equals 4. And then you could think, hey, what's going to equal 4? What does my n have to be? And you could solve for it. And another way you could think of it a little bit differently is x over y equals 4, and then in place of x over y you put 4, which as a fraction would be 4 over 1. It's the same thing. You might just be able to look at this and say, hey, if I need to equal 4, all I need is this part. So how am I going to get rid of that 24? If you make the n a 24, or you just plug it into Desmos. Check it out. If you plug it into Desmos, I'm going to plug this in exactly as is, only instead of the equal sign, I'm going to use the tilde, which if you hit shift and then the upper left of your keyboard below the escape and above the tab button, you'll see the tilde. If I go into Desmos, Desmos keyboard, I click Desmos keyboard, click on ABC, and then the tilde is to the bottom right of the keyboard. Either way, 24 times 4 over n times 1, tilde 4, and it tells you what your n equals 24. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with anyone who doesn't know that. You could pick numbers for this, pick for one, solve for the other. If they don't know the tilde to solve for a single variable, it's fantastic. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hit that bell button. And to see the shorter videos, check us out. Go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center. When you go to the playlist, the shorter videos are just below these longer videos once you find your test and module number under that playlist. Have a great day.